ImpressArt presents their revolutionary new metal stamping hammer. Our weighted head gives jewelry crafters the perfect amount of force for precision metal stamping. Grip includes multiple indentations to provide varied handling options. The head is replaceable. Our brass tip prevents bounce back, resulting in crisp, deep impressions. Our unique angled handle is optimized to give the jewelry maker the best angle for stamping when seated. Make a great impression with ImpressArt.